Hi, Year Threes! I think it's time that we have a discussion. Oh, have you seen my special friend? Oh, well, boys and girls, this is Wormina, and she is a very special garden worm. She's a garden worm and she lives in my compost bin. This one right here. She lives in my compost bin, and when I finish eating food or I have special kinds of scraps, I need to make sure that I know which foods can go into the compost bin and which foods just need to go in the rubbish bin. Because, Wormina, I hope I haven't fed you any bad food. I don't want to make her sick. Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe, boys and girls, would you like to learn with me what kind of foods we should feed Wormina and all of her friends? You know what? Maybe if we learn the right foods that we can put in our compost bins, then perhaps Wormina will be so happy that she might bring some of her friends into the compost. And then we can have a worm party with lots of delicious foods that are safe for the worms to eat. Oh, that sounds fun. Well, Wormina, I think I have a poster here with lots of foods that we have ready that you could find in your kitchen. Maybe we should go through them together. The first thing on our whiteboard, can you see, boys and girls? It says potato. Oh, but Wormina, we aren't throwing away entire potatoes, are we? Here it is here. That's a big waste of food if we're throwing away an entire potato. No, we're not. Okay. Oh, potato peels. Boys and girls, sometimes you have to peel a potato. And do you like eating the peels? Oh, I think she likes eating the peels, boys and girls. Okay, well, that's really cool. Now we know that Wormina loves eating potato. Okay, maybe we should put a big tick. That sounds like a great idea. A big tick. We know she likes potatoes. The second thing on our list is carrot. Wormina, do you like eating carrot? Oh, she loves eating carrot. Well, maybe we could peel the carrots and give the scraps of that. Or maybe if you chop off the end, that might be good for your compost bin. Oh, that sounds wonderful. Oh, I think she likes the carrot very much. Boys and girls, I think it's important that we put our carrot peels and our carrot scraps in the compost bin, not in the recycling bin or the rubbish bin. Good idea. All right, the next thing on our list, let's have a look. Oh, we should put a big tick on the carrot. Tick. I love that idea. The next thing is, oh, an orange. I love oranges. Orangey yellow is my favorite color, so oranges are my favorite. Oh, Wormina, surely you love oranges too. Oh, you don't like oranges? Oh dear. Well, I hope I haven't been feeding you oranges. Oh no, boys and girls, we need to make sure that we do not put any oranges, or is it all citrus? We can't put any citrus, so that's lemons or limes or oranges, mandarins. We can't put any of that in our compost bin because worms and Wormina do not like them. That's not a good thing. Let's throw that away. We don't want to put that in our compost bin. We can just put those orange scraps in the normal bin. We'll give that one a big cross, not for Wormina. Okay, Wormina, what's next? We have egg. Egg? Do you want me to make you a fried egg? Oh, let's have a look. Wait, we've got an entire carton of eggs here, Wormina. Let's have a look. What do you want us to do with these? Oh, delicious. Look at it. Oh. Wormina, this egg is empty. There's no egg inside. It's just the shell. Oh my goodness. Boys and girls, I think Wormina and all of her worm friends love eating eggshells. Well, that's perfect. Instead of putting them in the rubbish bin, we could definitely put those in our compost. Egg shells. Whoop, whoop. Good idea. Wow. Well, let's put a big tick on that egg. Okay, we have one more. We have banana. I love bananas. Bananas are delicious. Do you love them too? Yes, we love bananas. Okay, let's have a look. Oh. There's no bananas here, Wormina. No. What is this? Wormina! That's disgusting, Wormina. Did you just eat that banana peel? I think Wormina likes eating banana peels. Ugh, that's not nice. Well, maybe when we eat the bananas, we can give the banana peels to our compost bin, and then people like Wormina, little worms, can eat the peels. Oh, well, that sounds perfect. What a good idea. Well, I've got another banana peel here. Do you want it, Wormina? Oh, my goodness. Wow, you must really like banana peels. Whew. Well, Wormina, I've had lots of fun today talking about the compost and things that you love to eat. Oh, wow. Well, now that we know, the boys and girls, we can make sure that we put the right foods into our compost bin so that we can make our worm friends very, very happy. Wormina, thanks for spending time with us today. I think it is time that we say goodbye.